The holidays can drain your pocket fast, but if you plan early, you can enjoy Christmas and keep your money safe. Let me show you 3 easy ways to budget smarter this season. 1. Make a list and set a limit. Write down everyone you want to buy gifts for. Then decide how much money you can really afford to spend, let's say 20,000 total. If you have 5 people on your list, that means about 4,000 each. It helps you stay in control instead of overspending without realizing. 2. Use the 50-30-20 rule. This is a simple way to manage money. 50% for your needs, bills, groceries, gas, 30% for fun, gifts, outings, decorations, 20% for savings or your future plans. You still enjoy the season, but without starting January broke. 3. Pay with cash or debit. Try to avoid using credit cards for everything. When you pay with cash or debit, you see your money leaving, and that helps you spend less naturally. Money isn't just about how much you earn, it's how smart you use it. Follow Alpha and Facts for more real-life money tips before the holidays hit, and subscribe.